Nothing ever stays the same once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think. Hey, let it think, let it think, let it think.
Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will cook a low-carb and low-calorie egg fried rice. This is just gonna be simple, so let's begin. We only need drain the water from the rice. Then let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. And drain it again. Now, let's add cooking oil to our preheated frying pan. Then, sauté the onion and garlic. We can now add the sticky rice. Cook it for a few minutes. Wait for the rice to dry. Then add the beaten egg. Put salt and pepper. Cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes. And now we're done. Let's now transfer it to our serving plate. Eat it while it's warm. And since this is low carb and low calorie, we can enjoy it without guilt. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.